Hot Wheels collectors. Today we have a concept truck for the Dodge Sidewinder. This is a first casting from 1998. This is officially called the Dodge Dakota Sidewinder. And it was actually running around in the 1997 show car circuit. And it was designed by Chrysler's Mark Allen, who only designed this 2 years after graduating school. I don't know what school he went to, but obviously a pretty talented person, or very lucky, or both, to have a concept vehicle made. Okay, this is a front-mounted Dodge Viper GTS-R engine in it, so this thing is not messing around. This thing has, 640 horsepower-ish, coming out of that 8-liter V10. And so this thing would do 0 to 60 in 4 seconds, go 170 miles per hour, which is fast for a convertible truck. And that power was going through a 4-speed automatic. And the chassis was actually built by Riley and Scott for racing car chassis fame. So it was basically a racing car with a truck body on it, it seems. Okay, let's measure this wheelbase because I want to see how big the scale is on this guy. I'm going to measure the axles. I don't think these little axle protectors always line up with the actual axle holes, it seems. So this time I'm going to measure axle to axle center. So 40.6. So 2845 divided by 40.6. 170 at scale. So yeah, even if I measured inaccurately, this is definitely not 164. Some extra paint laying here. Alright, well, let's get into the casting then, knowing it's a bit small, but whatever. Wheels, I don't care, I'm going to redo those. We have this crazy neonish orange. It's not normal orange, it looks like it's painted white first, and then they shot a neon orange on top of it. You can actually see a lot of the white coming through. The front end, it's a little bit of an issue there. Oh, it's gone. Alright, what's going on? There's some plastic tabs coming through these vent holes. That probably, but wait, there's no, oh, that must be the interior? No. Yeah, what's going on here? The interior is purple. I get the indication that these are clear. I feel like I can see light through that. I don't know if you can see it. Maybe it's just me. Maybe that is purple. It's part of the interior piece. Alright. So I'm going to guess that has to be the interior plastic. But then, yeah, these vents go very far in, and they're blanking out against the base, which is also plastic of this silver swirly stuff. So that line is just fine. It's just part of the plastic process with that metallic plastic stuff. Okay, this all looks fine. I like that the windshield has no frame. Although the real one does actually have a little frame, and I can kind of see the edge of it here molded in. But how did this get past safety for kids? Right? Won't this kid step on this and break it? Anyways, I like it. So this is a nice interior. It's got two-tone. So the silver of the base is showing this shifter knob area, and then this, obviously, the rest of the interior is purple. Unfortunately, this plastic, man, when you have these metallized plastic, it just doesn't look good a lot. Right? All these weird swirls, and this looks like a strange, like, I don't know, it cooled off weirdly, or the plastic didn't melt and blend enough. It's just not nice to look at. It's not a consistent purple, right? Okay, the exhaust tips look nice, though. There's some recesses there, so that's cool. And then again, the silver plastic, it just has this line through it. So it's too bad. I wish they just had a gray in this case. Forget the silver. Just forget metallized plastics. They rarely look nice. In fact, what do you guys think? What's your opinion? Do you like metallized plastics, or would you just rather have a normal purple plastic there? I'd rather just have a normal purple. Oh well. Alright, so as usual, this one does actually say what the vehicle is, so that's nice, and apparently it's copyright 96. So maybe those are 1990. Well, this says first editions. Why did it take 2 years to finally make it? Maybe this is the end of the year they got their copyright. It's got some X's here. Interesting. Alright. Yeah, definitely rolls, whatever. Let's see what happens. Alright, there we are with wheels that are similar to the ones on the real concept vehicle. This one I just have a separate tire, but the disc brake system is just part of the wheel, so there's actually no caliper showing. So it's just the way it is. I obviously had to stagger the sizes to fill in this wheel well. And I got some spacers in there as well. Not too much paint. I think this is all standard. I only added some black paint in the exhaust tips. I guess that's all I did, because nothing really wants to stick to this stuff. Again, it is pretty cool that there's a little silver there in the middle. Alright, let's take a look at a few other concept trucks. Nice little image of the thing with the hood open. So I got this Honda Sprocket. I don't know if you would call that a concept truck or not. It's kind of like a car. It's kind of like an El Camino, actually. But the scaling of this one is huge, it seems. Yeah, that's the problem with Hot Wheels. And then this other one, what is this, a Jeepster, I think it was called? Yep, Jeepster. These two might be similar in scale, I think, but I'm pretty sure the Honda Sprocket would have never been that big, because Hondas, really in general, are never that big. Okay, so which of the three you like? I gotta say, for today, I definitely like this. I enjoy its crazy fluorescent orange paint job. And I think it's a pretty cool looking truck. Yeah, even with the top up, it looks kind of like a custom hot rod kind of pickup truck. Alright, well, thanks for watching today, and hopefully you'll stay tuned as I'll probably do another 3D printed video soon, someday. Alright, take care. Bye.